Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR's digital classes. Today in this video we are going to see the introduction of LCM and GCD topic. So let us start. So basically LCM and GCD, these are abbreviations for least common multiple. So LCM is said as least common multiple and GCD is said as greatest common divisor. So let us see what is LCM. So now I have already told LCM means least common multiple. So how can we find, or what is the definition of this LCM? So the LCM of two or more given numbers is the least number to be exactly divisible by each of them. So how do we find the LCM? So for example, I have a question which says find the LCM of 24 and 18. So we have to find the LCM of 24 and 18. What I have to do is I have to write the multiples of 24 and also the multiples of 18. So when I start writing the multiples of 24, I get the values 24, 24 ones 24, 24 twos 48, 24 threes 72. In the same way, I have to write the multiples of 18 also. So 18, 18 ones, 18 twos, 18 threes. Now what I have to do is I have to check one common number which is coming first. So here the number 72. The number 72 is both in the multiples of 24 and 18. In this way, I can say that the number 72 is the least common multiple of 24 and 18. We can find this LCM in our way, which we are following from since our childhood, which is we have to find the LCM of 24 and 18. 24 comma 18. Now what we have to do is we have to do the prime factorization of these numbers. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, next 2 nines are 18, next 2 6 are 12. So the number 9 is not divisible by 2. What we have to do is we have to leave the number 9 itself. 9. Next 2 3s are 6, number 9 is not divisible by 2. So again I am leaving the number 9 as itself. Now coming to this, we are not left with any two multiples. Now what we have to do is we have to take the next prime number, which is the first prime number is 2, the second prime number or the next prime number is 3, the next prime number is 5, the next prime number is 7. We have to follow this particular order. Now 3 ones 3, 3 threes are 9, then 3 ones are 3. Now whenever I achieve a numbers which are 1 comma 1, then my LCM is right here. So our LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So I can say that LCM of 24 and 18 is 2 cube, as 2 is written 3 times into 3 square. So 2 cube is 8, 3 square is 9, 8 nines 72. So our LCM is 72. We can find the LCM in this particular way. Now coming to the questions. So what we have to do, we have to find the LCM of 36 and 42. We have to find the LCM of 36 comma 42. So first of all, first prime number 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Next 2 nines are 18, then 21, as 21 is not divisible by 2. Next what we have to do, we have to take the number 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 sevens are 21, 3 ones are 3, 7, 7 ones are 7. So I have achieved the numbers 1 comma 1. So my LCM is these multiplication of these all these numbers. So LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 7. 4 nines are 36, 36 into 7. So our answer is 36 into 7, which gives me 6 sevens are 42, 7 3s is 21, 252. So our LCM is 252. So the LCM of 36 and 42 is 252. Now coming to the next question. What we have to do, we have to find the LCM of 21, 35 and 42. We have to apply the same process, which is prime factorization of 21, 35 and 42. So 21 is not divisible by 2, 35 is also not divisible by 2, but 42 is divisible by 2. So 21. Next what we have to do, we have to 3 sevens are 21, 35, 3 sevens are 20. The next number is 5. 7 is not divisible by 5. 5 sevens are 35, 7. Next number is 7. 7 ones are 7 ones are 7 ones. So my LCM is multiplication of all these numbers, which is 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 5 2s are 10, 7 3s are 21. 21 into 10 is 210. So LCM of 21, 35 and 42 is 210. So in this particular way we can find the LCM of these numbers. Now coming to the next one, which is GCD, which is greatest common divisor. It has another name which says highest common factor. So I can say that GCD and HCF are same. So GCD and HCF are same. So GCD HCF of two or more numbers is the greatest number which divides each of them exactly. What we have to do in this GCD is we have to find the greatest number which can divide both the numbers, or how many numbers we are left with. So how can we find the GCD of two numbers or two or more numbers? Let us see. So what we have to do is, whenever we are given numbers, we have to identify the bigger number and the smaller number. So here 18 is the bigger number and 12 is the smaller number. Now what I have to do is I have to divide the bigger number with smaller number. So bigger number is divided by smaller number. We have to do the division in this process. So here the bigger number is 18. The smaller number is what? 12. Okay. So 12 ones are 12. Now I am left with a remainder of 6. Whenever we are left with any number except for 0 as remainder, what we have to do is we have to continue our division in this same way, such that now 6 will be the divisor and 12 will be the dividend. So 12, 6 2s are 12. So now I am left with a remainder of 0. So whenever I am getting a remainder of 0, then I can say that the divisor is the HCF. So the HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. So the HCF of 12 and 18 is what? 6. Now coming to the next question. So what we have to do in this particular question is we have to find the HCF of or GCD of 40, 25, 90. So here we are given three numbers. What we have to do? We have to apply the same process, which says we have to identify the bigger number first and the smaller number next. So here the bigger number is 90, the smaller number is 25. Now we have to divide the bigger number with the smaller number. So 25 3s 75. So 90 minus 75 gives me a value of 15. So what I have to do? I have to again divide this 15 or 25 with 15. 25. So 15 stays here. We have to bring this 25 here. Okay. 15 ones are 15. So the next remainder is 10. What I have to do? I have to bring the 15 down, which is 15. 10 ones are 10. Again I am leaving with a remainder of 5. Next I have to bring this 10 down. 5 2s are 10. Now as I can see the remainder is 0. I can say that the HCF of 90 and 25 is 5. I can confirmly say that the HCF of 90 and 25 is 5. 90 and 25 is 5. But I cannot say whether it is the multiple or it is the HCF of 90, 25 and 40. I can only confirmly say that it is the HCF of 90 and 25 as I have solved these values. Now what we have to do? We have to again apply this division to this particular number, which is 40. Now 40 is to be divided by, I am getting an answer of 5. It should be divided by 5. So if I get the remainder 0, then it is also the HCF of 40. So 5 8s are 40. So remainder is 0. So I can say that here also we are getting the remainder of 0. So 5 is also the HCF of 40. So our answer is 5. So the HCF of 40, 25 and 90 is 5. Now whenever we are solving this particular LCM and HCF, we can attain an important result, which says that LCM multiplied by GCD or HCF. So LCM multiplied by HCF gives me an answer of A into B, where A comma B are numbers, two numbers. A comma B are what? Two numbers. So I can say that whenever two numbers are multiplied, we are achieving the same result as when we are multiplying LCM with GCD. So let us see a question from this. So The LCM of two numbers is 7700. So here given LCM is equals to 7700 and HCF or GCD is equals to 11. Next, if one of the number, so one of the number which is, let us assume the number, first number is A, one of the number is 275. What I have to do? I have to find the other number. I have to find the number B. We know that LCM into GCD is equals to A into B. Okay. Now LCM is what here? 7700 is our LCM. GCD is 11. The number A first number is 275. Now I have to find the second number. So I can say that the second number B is equals to 7700 multiplied by 11 divided by 275. If I solve this value, I am getting an answer of 308. So our answer or the second number is 308. The greatest common divisor of two numbers is 23 and their sum is 184. So here he has given the GCD, value of GCD. GCD is equals to 23. The greatest common divisor is 23 and there is sum. Sum is the sum of two numbers, which is, let us assume that two numbers are capital A and capital B. So A plus B is 184. From this I can write that A is equals to and B is nothing but A and B are multiples of 23, as GCD, greatest common divisor, is 23. So I can write A as 23 into A. So A is a 23 multiple and also B is also a 23 multiple because their GCD is 23. Their greatest common divisor is 23. So A is 23A and B is 23 into B. So I have found out the values of A and B. Now let us substitute it here. A is 23 into A plus B is 23 into B, that is equals to 184. Then let us take 23 common. Then A plus B is equals to 184. A plus B is equals to 184 divided by 23. Now I am getting a value A plus B as 8. So the sum of A plus B, small a plus small b, is 8. Now I have to divide 8 in such a way that I should not get any common multiple, any extra common multiple. So let us divide 8 in such a way. So 8 can be divided as 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7. 1 and 7, they both do not have any extra common multiples. Only 1 is their multiple. So 1 and 7 can be taken. Next, 2 plus 6 is also 8. 2 plus 6 is also 8. But here we are getting a common multiple of 2 from these two values, which is 2. Now 2 and 6 we should not take, as 2 is also a GCD of this number, as additionally 2 is again coming. Next, 3 plus 5, we can take this number as only 1 is the greatest common divisor for this, and 4 plus 4 is also 8, but we should not take 4 plus 4 and 4 because GCD is additionally 4. Now we are left with two pairs of A and B values. So A comma B is two pairs. First of all, first pair is 1 comma 7 and the second pair is 3 comma 5. So first pair is 1 comma 7 and the second pair is 3 comma 5. Let us substitute 3 comma 5 in this particular equation. So A is equals to 23 into small a is 3, B is equals to 23 into 5. So what we have to do is we have to find the difference among these numbers. So difference is A minus B or B minus A. Both of this is difference. Let us subtract B from A or A from B. So 23 into 5 minus 23 into 3. Let us take the common 23 outside, then 5 minus 3. So 23 into 5 minus 3 is 2. 23 2s are 46. Now the answer is 46. The difference between these two numbers is 46. Let us check if 46 is available in our options. So yes, 46 is available in our options. So our answer is 46. When we substitute A as 1 and B as 7, we will get a value other than 46. We can also check it, but we have got the answer 46. So our answer is 46. Now coming to the next question. Next, the largest 3-digit number which when divided by 3 and 8 leaves remainder 1 and 3. So the number, if it is divided by 3, it is leaving a remainder of 1. Then when it is divided by 8, it is leaving a remainder of 3. Now for these type of questions, what we have to do is we have to go from the options. Let us see which one of these 4 options is the greatest. So 993 is the greatest number. Let us take this and check whether if we are getting remainder 1 when we are dividing it with 3. Now 993 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. No, we are not getting a remainder of 1. So the first option is ruled out. Next, the second greatest number in these numbers. The second greatest number is 979. Let us take that number. 979. Let us divide it with 3. 3 3s are 9. 7. 3 2s are 6. 1 9. 3 6s are 18. Yes, we are getting a remainder of 1. So 979, when we are dividing it with 3, we are getting a remainder of. Now let us check it with 8. So 979 divided by 8. 8 1s are 8. 1 7. 8 2s are 16. 1 9. 8 2s are 16. Yes, we are getting a remainder of 3 when divided by 8. So both of these conditions are satisfied. So our answer is 979, which is option 3. Now coming to the next question. Traffic lights at 3 junctions A, B and C change every 15, 25 and 30 seconds respectively. If all the lights change simultaneously at 10 am. So all the lights have changed exactly at 10 am. Then what is the next time they will change? For these types of questions, what we have to do is we have to find the LCM of these numbers. So let us find the LCM of these numbers. 15, 25, 30. So 5 3 is 15, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30. Next 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 5, 2. Then 5 1s are 5, here 2. Then 2 1s are 2. So the LCM is the multiple of all these 3 numbers. So LCM is equals to 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. 15 into 10 is 150. So LCM is 150 seconds. So 150 seconds can be written as 120 plus 30 seconds. 120 plus 30 seconds. 120 seconds is nothing but 2 minutes. 30 seconds is 30 seconds. Now the next time they change is after 10 am, 2 minutes 30 seconds. So they change at 2 minutes 30 seconds past 10 am. So our answer is option A. Now coming to the next question. The GCD of two numbers is 16. GCD is 16 and LCM is given as 192. If one of a number is 48, then we have to find the second number. For these types of questions, we have a formula, that is LCM into GCD is equals to A into B. LCM is 192. GCD is 16. A, one of the number is 48. We have to find the second number. So B is equals to 192 into 16 divided by 48. 16 3s are 48. So dividing it with 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. Sorry. 3 6s are 18. 3 4s are 12. So the value of B is 64. So the second number is 64. Thank you very much for watching this video.